large tornado on the ground in East Fort Worth. This is a tornado emergency for the warned area. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for central Dallas County in north-central Texas, eastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Lake Arlington, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the Dallas-Fort Worth metropolitan area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: Emergency Management reported a multi-vortex tornado crossing Interstate 820. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Irving, Pantego, Dalworthington Gardens, Duncanville, Cockrell Hill, University Park, and Highland Park. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now.